1. Do you eat out a lot? Well, not really. I like cooking by myself when I have spare time. I am a big fan of cooking, so I enjoy learning how to cook new recipe for my family. However, to celebrate birthday or wedding anniversary or other special occasion, my family and I choose restaurant. 2. Do you eat healthy food? Well, I think so. In order to stay in a good shape, I regularly go on a diet. It means that I consume plant-based food rather than junk food. I also eat less meat and plenty of vegetable and fresh fruits. 3. Um, do you how often do you eat with your family? Well, I frequently have meals with my family. Family is my priority over anything of my life. So I think that spend time eating with family can contribute to strengthen the bond with other member of family. 4. Do you like eating with your family or at restaurant? Well, I choose to eat at home with my family because having meal during lunch or dinner uh, um, it is a good chance for me to share joy and troubles with other member family. And secondly, eating out is much cheaper than eating at restaurant. And uh, I have a knack for cooking, so I can cook plenty of delicious dishes for my family.